Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm really glad to have you here. In today's video we're going to do a super simple easy DIY at home mullein flower oil, and as you know, mullein is a great herb. It's very antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antiviral. It has so much important benefits. Now with the mullein plant you can actually use the whole part of it for different medicinal purposes, different home remedies. It's usually a general plant that helps with general respiratory illnesses, anything to do with coughs, colds and flu, ear infections. So when it comes to using mullein for medicinal purposes, you can use the plant just like it's shown here. You can also collect the flowers and do a mullein ear oil. Absolutely perfect and amazing, especially for the ear infections or any ear pain or any accumulation of earwax as well. Works for both adults and kids alike. Perfect. It's very proven to work with any sort of ear problems as well. So here all you will need is to gather some mullein flower. You can use the dried, you can use the fresh. I've got fresh here, so I'm adding on top of that, I'm adding organic olive oil. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to infuse the mullein flowers with the olive oil. I'm going to put on the lid, put it in a dark place for about 4 to 6 weeks. Shake it every now and then after 4 to 6 weeks I'm going to straighten it out and I'm going to put it in a dropper bottle, preferably an amber one. And then I will use it as a instant ear infection, ear pain remedy. Absolutely amazing. You can check out the scientific studies. You can check out a couple of products sold online as well as in many health food stores. Just check out mullein ear oil. You can also mix garlic with it. Now about 2-3 years ago I did do a very explanatory video about your own DIY garlic ear oil, also how to use the ear oil that you can either make at home or you can purchase through Amazon or iHerb to actually treat ear pain, and I've done a demonstration video on it with my son, so you might want to check it out. I'll put the link in the description below the video. I'd love to have you with me on the channel, and do subscribe if this channel resonates. Take care and bye bye.